Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, we are going to be showing you how to set auto lock on iPhone. To set up auto lock on your iPhone so that iPhone screen turns off automatically after a period of inactivity, simply follow through the steps. First of all, open up the settings app from your home screen, and within the settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on display and brightness. This is where you manage screen settings. Scroll down and tap on Auto Lock and then choose the time option from the menu. The options range from 30 seconds to never. Select the time you prefer. After selecting one of these options, if you want to select one of the options for better battery life and security, you can choose 1 or 2 minutes, and after you do that, you can go back and your iPhone will now lock automatically based on your selection. Whenever you leave your iPhone idle, your phone will now automatically lock, helping conserve battery and protecting your data. So that is how you easily auto lock your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and guidance. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.